Hey guys, this is GMLRelativenTay. This is my first tutorial in Game Maker. It's going to be a short tutorial on enemy movement. I know a lot of people been wondering about enemy movement. I know me coming into Game Maker, it was difficult finding a proper movement. So I'm going to click on Pro. Game I've already started working on. Exit that down. I got sprites, a brick sprite, a tree sprite, the player sprites, which consist of down, left, the right, the up. It's just simple movement. This the enemy. The enemy, it only have one sprite. It's, a simple shooter. And that's the down. And I have one for the left. You can do this however you want with the enemy sprite. You can add multiple sprites. You don't have to just use one like I did. Objects. Go into your enemy. And in your enemy, create event. This doesn't matter. That you can just simply erase. I can do that now actually. In the begin step event, execute a piece of code. What this says is if distance to object player equals less than 6 equals at least less than 64, move towards the object player's X and the object's player dot Y at a speed of 5. Else speed equals 0. That's the movement. That's simple enemy movement. With this simple code, I just found out with 4 lines of words, I found out enemy movement. Just simple. And in the second begin step event, you're going to have image speed equals 2. This doesn't matter unless you have multiple sprites in your enemy sprites. Like if it's multiple down to where it shows him walking, then this would matter. I could really delete that, but I might leave that there so that I could arrange my enemy later. This is a switch statement, the direction, in which case sprite equals enemy right, sprite equals enemy up, left, and down. And that's just simply that. This reverses direction if it's walking towards a brick. I can erase that eventually. But I'm going to run the game. I put the enemy in the game. That's all you really have to do. Wait for this long ass load up. Sorry, I'm I'm still mastering using my computer camera, desktop camera, put it that way. I haven't mastered recording just my computer screen, so excuse me. See my simple enemy movement. Watch this. If I'm too far away from them, they stop. They switch directions. Depending on the direction they go. It's a little buggy, but that's enemy movement. It shows that if you're so far away from them, they will stop moving. And if you at least 64 pixels, they come towards you. Now you can set your lives to how much ever, or your health. I'm just showing you the movement. That's it for this tutorial. This is GMLRelativenTay. This is my first tutorial. Excuse my my stuttering. in my messy video, but it's very informative. Take it and run with it.